Hello and welcome back to our Christmas countdown quilt-along. How are you going with your Nutcracker? He's looking pretty good. Fairly handsome fellow, I think. Now I'm working on the drum, and you can see I've done the bottom edge there with some vertical lines. So I'm going to repeat that on the top edge here. Needle down, needle up, bring up that bottom thread. And then in that inside of the back of the drum, I'm going to go with horizontal parallel lines to that curve. So there's a little bit of it here, and I'm going to sneak around. There we go, and tomorrow we'll deal with the middle section here of the drum. So I'll see you then. Bye-bye.